In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for scheduled recurring transactions in QuickBooks. This is an essential feature if you're managing your business finances and need to stay on top of regular transactions like bills, subscriptions, or income. By the end of this video, you'll be familiar with how to easily access and assess these transactions, ensuring you have complete control over your financial scheduling. Let's get started by signing into your QuickBooks account. If you're not already on the platform, open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Once there, you'll see the sign in button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that to begin the process. Next, you'll need to select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This is important as it directs you to the right interface designed for handling all the online accounting needs. Make sure you're selecting the correct version that you use for your business operations. After selecting QuickBooks Online, it's time to enter your login credentials. Type in your username and password carefully. If you're using a shared or public device, it's advisable not to save your password for security reasons. Once you've got those details filled in correctly, hit that continue button to access your account. Upon logging in, you're going to want to locate the transactions menu. Now, this is where all your accounting activities are managed. You'll find this option in the main menu on your QuickBooks dashboard. Click on Transactions to proceed to the next step. From the Transactions page, the next click you'll want to make is on Recurring Transactions. This section is dedicated to all transactions that you have set up to recur on a scheduled basis. Clicking here will lead you to a screen where you can view and manage these transactions efficiently. Once in the Recurring Transactions section, you'll want to use the filter function to narrow down to the specific types of transactions you're interested in. Locate and click on the Filter button to access the filtering options. The key filter option to use here is Template Type. When you click on this, a drop-down menu will appear. What you want to do is select Scheduled from this list. This selection will refine your view to only show those transactions that are set to occur at regular intervals, excluding any manual or one-time templates that might otherwise clutter your view. Finally, after setting your filter to Scheduled, click Apply to enact these settings. The list will update and you'll now see only the scheduled recurring transactions. This filtered view is particularly useful for reviewing and verifying that all recurring payments and invoices align with your expectations and financial plan. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently check for scheduled recurring transactions in QuickBooks. Remember, staying on top of these financial schedules will save you time, reduce the risk of missing payments, and improve your overall cash flow management. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to refer back to this guide anytime you need a refresher.